If you're seeing a Claude error when trying to delete a conversation, don't worry, this is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common solutions step by step so you can get back to using Claude normally. We'll clear browser data, disable any conflicting extensions, and check the official Anthropic status page to see if the issue is on Claude's side. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Let's jump in. First, the most common fix is clearing your browser data for Claude.ai. Sometimes Claude can get stuck because of cookies, cache, or a false error prompt that's being saved in your browser. To do this, open the browser you use for Claude and go into your settings. Find the privacy or security section, then look for the option to clear browsing data. Make sure you remove cookies and cached files, and if possible, target data specifically related to Claude.ai. After that, close the browser completely and reopen it. Then sign back into Claude and try deleting the conversation again. In many cases, that alone fixes the issue right away. If the error is still happening, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and VPN extensions can sometimes interfere with Claude's interface or disrupt API synchronization. To test this, temporarily disable your extensions one by one, especially anything related to ads, tracking protection, or network routing. If you use a VPN, turn that off for a moment and refresh Claude. Then try deleting the conversation again. If it works after disabling one of those tools, you've found the cause. You can then whitelist Claude.ai or keep that extension turned off while using Claude. Another very important step is checking whether Claude is having a service issue. Open a new tab and go to the official Anthropic status page at statusclaude.com. Look for any incidents, degraded performance, or ongoing outages affecting conversations, messaging, or account actions. If there's a known issue, the problem may not be on your device at all. In that case, the best move is to wait until the service is back to normal and try again later. If there are no outages showing, then the issue is most likely local to your browser or extensions, so clearing data and disabling add-ons should usually solve it. As a final tip, after you make any changes, refresh the page, log out and back in if needed, and try the delete action one more time. These small steps often force Claude to reload the correct session state. So to recap, clear your browser cookies and cache for Claude.ai, disable extensions like ad blockers or VPNs, and check the Anthropic status page for any service problems. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next troubleshooting guide.